Hello everyone, I'm Anshika Agarwal, working as an intern in LEXIS and Company. Do you guys know the difference between an advocate, lawyer, barrister, senior advocate, advocate on record, advocate general, solicitor general, attorney general? If no, I will tell you the difference between these all. So let's start. If we talk about a barrister, a person who is studying law in England is called as barrister, whereas if you have studied law in India, you are called as lawyer. A barrister cannot represent his client's case in the court and also can't argue on any case. So if we talk about who is lawyer, every person studying law, or we can say law graduate who has completed law course, whether 3 years LLB or 5 years LLB, is called as a lawyer. Similar to a barrister, a lawyer too can't represent his case in the court of law. Further, a lawyer, after passing the exam of Bar Council of India, can enroll himself in the Bar Council and gets the license to practice in the court, whereby he becomes advocate from being a lawyer. So he can therefore represent clients in the court. Now, if we talk about senior advocate, this designation is given by High Court or Supreme Court to those advocates who have experience of practice of more than 10 years and have appeared in many cases, including cases in favor of them. Also, they have good amount of knowledge, and after becoming senior advocate, their fees also becomes expensive, and they wear different types of gowns and a coat from an advocate. If we come to advocate on record, only an advocate on record can file a case in the Supreme Court, because if everyone will approach Supreme Court, then the probability that court's time will be wasted, as already huge number of cases are pending before the Supreme Court. So that's why those advocates who are registered as advocate on record can file case in the Supreme Court. You have to pass Supreme Court advocate on record exam to become advocate on record, for which advocate need to have at least experience of 5 years, which means 4 years of experience of any court plus 1 year experience under any advocate on record of Supreme Court, and that advocate on record must have practice experience of more than 10 years. Now we will discuss about the Advocate General. So every state's governor appoints Advocate General for the state, whose duty is to represent state government in the court regarding any matter. And if state government needs any legal advice in any matter, then they play a very significant role as legal advisor of state. So because they represent state government in the court, they are called as the first law officer of the state. Now we will discuss about Attorney General. They are appointed by the President of our country. So central government is represented by Attorney General. So central government is represented, so his job is to deal with the cases of central government and represent them in the court of law. Also, if central government needs any legal advice on any matter, then they take advice from the Attorney General. This is the reason they are called as the first law officer of the country. Here's a question for you all. Who is the current Attorney General of India? Do mention in the comment section. Now comes Solicitor General, who assists Attorney General in his work and task. So they are called as the second law officer of the country. So can anyone tell me who is the present second law officer of our country? If yes, write in the comments box. So this was the difference between a lawyer, an advocate, Attorney General, advocate on record, barrister, advocate general, Attorney General, Solicitor General. That's all for today. Bye bye. Stay safe.